PGC Lady. I am Sarvji Singh, working as a professor in mechanical department. On a behalf of Nature Defender, as a project mentor, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the organizer of Creative Value 2024. This platform has allowed to us to showcase our skills, learn from experts. The experience of working at Creative Value Bikes project is truly enriching. We are thankful for the opportunity to guide the younger students. Once again, we extend our thankfuls to Creative Value 2024. We are truly honored to have been a part of amazing event 2024 Creative Value. Thanks.
Hello everyone, myself Pratik Kumar. I am pursuing my BTech in mechanical field at Chandigarh Group of Colleges JJD. As someone who has always been curious about innovative design, I have learned how crucial sustainability and creativity are in the world of engineering. My experience with Creativelo has extended my understanding of the intersection between technology and user experience.
Hello everyone, myself Mohan and I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering from CGC Zinjedi. We have created this Creativelo bike. My entire team has done excellent work in it. I really enjoyed a lot of things by working with everyone. It was amazing. It was completely a new experience for me by working with them and I created this bike. Creativelo gave me an opportunity to experience something new. Whenever it comes to eco-friendly transportation solution, think about Creativelo. Thank you Creativelo for giving me this opportunity to experience new things and teaching me something new. Thank you.
My name is Sunil Goyal. I'm a BTech student at Chandigarh Group of Colleges Zinjedi, specializing in artificial intelligence. My journey with Creativelo has been a transformative experience. It has taught me the importance of merging creativity with practical application. Developing a product that's both innovative and functional has been an incredible learning opportunity.
It's about the Creativelo bike. With a strong background in product development, working with Creativelo has taught me an importance of teamwork and iterative design. Through testing and refining the Creativelo bike, I have gained valuable skills in problem solving and design thinking. Thank you. So hi, this is about making our electric vehicle, or you call it as Creativelo bike, and doing campaign. As we were behind a date in making our bike to Creativelo bike, so we started doing campaign along with it. As we, my team, me, Sumit, and all other members, we started doing campaign online. We asked our friends to participate in. We told them what it really did, how does it work, and what does it promote, as we were promoting nature, sustainable development. Talking about doing our campaign, we went to Chennai for our first campaign along with our nearly for 60-70% of our bike done, and the people were interested in knowing what we are making and how does it really work, what does it promote, and all. We also replied them in a gentle and humble way what it is and how does it work. They were interested in knowing it, and they also and some people gave a suggestion what we should do, what we should avoid, and we took all notes. We made their things, their talks, and their sayings as priority and worked on it. This was all about our creating and doing first campaign.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Kumar Upadhyay, and today I want to share my thoughts on the truly inspiring Green Future campaign. This movement goes beyond just saving energy, it's about building a sustainable future for generations to come. Our initiative that really catch my attention is the innovative creative value vibe. It's a testament to the incredible power of human ingenuity and creativity in tackling environmental challenges. Personally, I have always been passionate about environmental issues, but this camping has reignited and passion and inspired me to take meaningful action. I am committed to doing my part, whether it's thought small, consistent changes in my daily life, supporting eco-friendly business or advocating for sustainable policies. I firmly believe that together we can make a real difference by embracing renewable energies, reducing our carbon footprints, and protecting our planets. We can create a brighter, greener future for all. Thank you to the Green Future campaign for leading the way and showing us what's possible with dedication and vision.
Your Green Future campaign has truly ignited a spark within me. It's inspiring to see a movement dedicated to preserving our planet. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of greener future. I am so excited to be a part of this community. Your campaign has given me hope and a sense of purpose. Electric bike with pedal assist offer a great way to reduce carbon emission while promoting a healthier lifestyle. Embracing this eco-friendly transportation option, inspiring us to take responsibility for preserving the environment.
Once upon a time, in a bustling city, lived a young boy named Alex. He loved playing in the park, cycling through the streets, and swimming in the clear river. But one day, he noticed something strange. The river, once full and sparkling, was now a muddy stream. The park was now a barren wasteland. Alex was heartbroken. He realized that his careless actions and those of others had led to this dire situation. He vowed to change his ways. He started by planting trees, conserving water, and reducing waste. He also educated his friends and family about environmental protection. Inspired by Alex, the city began to transform. People started using renewable energy, recycling waste, and adopting eco-friendly practices. The river once again flowed clear. The park regained its vibrant green hue, and the air became fresh and clean. Small actions can make a big difference. Let's all strive to protect our planet